Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Chibiusa from Sailor Moon on Dress to Impress. The base is pretty much the same that I've made for almost all the Sailor Moon outfits, but obviously the hair and the cat ears will be different. So I'm gonna just remove the... I don't really want to remove anything because it's the same anyway, so... but I will do it for you guys, so I might just remove everything now here except for the ones I made accessory adjustments on. So for the hair, I used this hair in this pink FF98 AB in no only bangs, no adjustments made, and then I used this in the same color in no bangs, no adjustments made. Then for the things, I don't know what these are called, I used the teddy bear ears in I think this gray in silk, and then I did silk again in this red, A31316, and then for the ears, I used the kind of like wolf ears in that same pink, and in white, made some adjustments, positioned the Y at 0.54, Z 0.63, and scaled it to 0.55. Then for the outfit itself, I used this outfit in, I think white first, in light silk, and then the rest I did pink in glitter, and then I just left that one white. And then for the fourth toggle, I used pink again in the glitter toggle. Whoops. Then for the bow at the front, I did use this top again in the second toggle in red in silk. You can also use glitter. I think I'll do glitter for this one. No, I'll do silk. Then for the back, I used this bow in silk and that red. And then I used these gloves in white in light silk, and then silk in red. And then I used this top again here in the top only in pink and glitter. And then I used the choker and glitter in pink. And I used this in glitter in pink. You can use the like headpiece here, but I don't want to because it doesn't look that great, honestly, but you can use the like VIP headpiece. Select the shoes, color it pink and silk, and then pink and silk as well. Then for the socks, I just use these in high stripe socks, white in silk, and then white in silk as well. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.